Yeah, right, love. We bought, hi.
Hi.
We bought 2 of these GoodEarth Grow lights at Lowe's.
At Lowe's.
And this is the little clip that comes with them. Because I didn't want them hanging.
Right. You want to attach them
I
to
want
the
them
bottom of your
flush
cabinets.
underneath my cabinets. So you've cut me some pieces of wood.
We cut some scrap stuff here that will fit that recess
Right
and be
under there
flush.
and be flush so that my lights can go all the way up against.
Because we don't have things to attach the brackets. The brackets are, I measured here, and it's 35 inches.
Okay.
So
I mean, they did have chains, they did have slips, but clips. Yeah. Chains and clips, but we're going to use these clips.
Those. So half of 35 is 17
and a half.
And a half, right?
Yes.
So I found the middle of your cabinets more or less, because us and accuracy are not necessarily. I'm marking the middle 17 and a half both ways. You can hold that on that mark and double check my math.
Okay, wait, okay.
You're on the mark?
I'm trying to be, but I'm...
Bring it down a little so it's straighter. Okay, we're probably a little bit off here. Who knows?
We're always off.
So, all right. We're installing these, 6 inches between them. Just some random screws we had laying around. These lights are like super light. They don't weigh anything.
Very heavy.
So it's not like...
Do you want those level? You're trying to do them offset? Oh, never mind. I thought you screwed it all the way through.
I'm doing that so that in case the point goes through, it's not going to hit.
I see, because it looked like you were trying to screw it all the way through, and I'm going like, well, wait a minute, it's not square. Got a little step in it. Okay, now I get what you're doing.
I'm just putting that underneath there in case the point goes all the way through. It won't damage your countertop.
Thank you. I know they're old, but I still got to use them.
So, now the thinking is we'll attach these 2 up on our marks.
Okay.
With these screws.
All right.
Then we can attach.
It should just snap right on there.
Yeah, we actually could probably clip our lights on and just put 2 screws up in here through all the boards.
I just don't want you to.
So.
Okay.
All right. And that should give us some flexibility. So this is our mark right there, right?
Yes. Now, did you check to see if you cleared the cabinet?
Nope.
Oh. That it didn't go all the way through.
Nope. We're gonna cross our fingers.
I gotta look.
close our eyes and go na 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 na.
And pretend it doesn't. That looked like it did. I think you did good.
So you just killed us. You know that, don't you?
Huh?
You just killed us.
Why? Because
Because you don't do that until you've done all of them.
Well, no, you do it after one, and then you don't make the mistake 4 times.
Now, where's your other light?
Oh, it's over here. Oops. Oh, you gotta put that up before that, right? Oh, you got room in the middle. But then you gotta hold those onto the light while you screw it in. Cord management?
Cable management.
Cable
yes.
management. It was something like that.
Yes, we're trying to do a little bit of it, not a lot. I'm just trying to keep it from falling down into your plants more than anything.
Right.
You see these clip in these little slots.
Oh, so they're pretty.
Like that.
Okay.
Now, if I do that,
Okay.
we should be good to go, right?
Yes.
And we need your hand on this end.
Okay.
Hold it up there.
I can't see if it's in
I
the
know
square.
it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Something like that, right?
Yes. And plug it in.
We almost left ourselves room to plug it in.
Almost?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that was pretty good. Now, if I go like that, it works! All right. And then I have my little pots that are going to go there and grow some inside vegetables, hopefully.
Probably don't need the extra screws, but
Yeah.
just cause.
That way.
There It's
And we could do it that way.
particle board.
Thank you, love. Thanks for watching.